Chapter 1 Economics The Story of Village Palampur Part 3. In the previous video, we talked about how farming is done in Palampur. We talked about that land is fixed there. Is there a way one can grow more from the same land? We discussed very important point that will the land sustain and how is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur. Before going further, a question for you. Do you know what is the standard unit of measuring land in India? The answer is hectare. You must have heard about some local units of measuring the land such as bigha or killa or acre, etc. 1 hectare equals the area of a square with one side measuring 100 meters. Next topic is who will provide the labor? Labor is very important part of production. Farming requires a great deal of hard work. Small farmers along with their families cultivate their own fields. Medium and large farmers hire farm laborers to work on their fields. Next topic is the capital needed in farming. Capital is very important in farming. In modern times, the farmer now needs more money than before. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. They borrow from large farmers or the village moneylenders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. The rate of interest on such loans is very high, whereas medium and large farmers have their own savings from farming. They are able to arrange for the capital needed. Here question comes, how do these farmers have their own savings? Sale of surplus farm products is the answer of that question. The farmers, they grow more than they require for their household. They retain a part of the wheat for the family's consumption and sell the surplus wheat in the market. Money collected after selling surplus wheat is generally kept in the bank account. It is also used to arrange working capital for farming in the next season. Some farmers also plan to buy modern machinery like tractors, etc. Next topic is non-farming activities in Indian villages with special reference to village Palampur. Non-farm activities in Palampur. Only 25% of the people working in Palampur are engaged in activities other than agriculture or in other terms non-farming activities. Number 1 dairy. Dairy is a common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes on various kinds of grass and the jawar and bajra. The milk is sold in Raiganj. Two traders from Shahpur town have set up collection cum chilling centers at Raiganj from where the milk is transported to other towns and cities. Some people are also engaged in small scale manufacturing in Palampur. Some persons have purchased a mechanical sugarcane crushing machine which runs on electricity. Earlier, sugarcane crushing was done with the help of bullocks, but now people prefer machines these days. Then people also buy sugarcane from other farmers and then raw or jaggery is sold to traders at Shapur. One another example of non-farming activity is a person here named as Kareem has opened a computer class center in the village. He bought computers and set up the classes in the front room of their house overlooking the market. High school students have started attending them in good numbers. The shopkeepers of Palampur. The traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale market in the cities and sell them in the village. Small general stores in the village sell items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, etc. A few of the families whose houses are close to the bus stand have used a part of the space to open small shops. They sell eatables. There are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to Raiganj. Rickshawalas, tongawalas, jeep, tractor, truck drivers, and people driving the traditional bullock cart and boggy are people in the transport services. They take people and goods from one place to another and in return get paid for it. These are the non-farming activities in Indian villages and also in village Palampur. In the end, we can conclude that Indian villages have two types of activities, farming and non-farming activities. Most of the people are engaged in farming activities. Some are engaged in non-farming activities such as dairy farming, transport, shopkeeping, etc. Thanks for watching the video. These are the main features of an Indian village. Subscribe the channel www.youtube.com/ramsharmalive for more videos.